Hi, this is Mark again with Accent Gold Solutions. Today our video is going to cover how does Microsoft CRM handle the objections or the questions from Salesforce. Who are we? We're Accent Gold Solutions. We are CRM experts. We've been supporting and working with products from ranging from Microsoft CRM to SAP CRM, Sugar CRM, Sage Act, Sales Logics, Crystal Reports, QuoteWorks, and a bunch of other products over the last 15 to 20 years, and that really is what we're all about. Our strength is to help you compare solutions. We do quite a bit of teaching and training on understanding what are your needs, what are your requirements, and then let's find the right CRM to fit you. It might be Salesforce, it might be Sugar, it might be Microsoft, it might be a Sage product. There's a lot of good products out there. Let's understand what you're trying to accomplish and figure out what's the best tool to help you get there. So today we're going to look at these questions here, and the first one is Salesforce may say, well, you're a service or you're a software, but we're a service. Microsoft basically comes back and says, listen, with us you've got choice. Customers are not going to be locked into a single deployment model with us. You can deploy on-premise, you can deploy in the cloud. You can select the deployment model and the payment model that best meets your needs. If you want to pay upfront for the licenses and just own it for several years until you want to upgrade, that's fine. Or you can just pay for it month to month as you need. It depends on your long-term growth strategy. They'll work with you. Next question, Salesforce offers a lower total cost of ownership than Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Well, that might have even been the case in the past, but right now, since Microsoft has come out with their online version, Microsoft CRM at Microsoft at $44 per user per month is really a third of the price of the equivalent product, the equivalent edition of Salesforce, which is the Enterprise. If you go below the Enterprise edition to Professional, you don't have an equivalent product. And in fact, Microsoft probably is a better product even than the Enterprise edition, because it doesn't give you even the limits that are in the Enterprise edition. That said, if you do want to go with on-premise and you do a total cost of ownership analysis over 3 years or 5 years, you're going to find that Microsoft's on-premise also totally beats out Salesforce's total cost of ownership. Next question is, Microsoft doesn't use Microsoft Dynamics CRM internally. Well, Microsoft rolls out more Microsoft Dynamics CRM users internally each quarter than the total number of people employed by Salesforce.com. That's their answer to that. Next, Microsoft spends more on Xbox than it does on Dynamics. Well, Microsoft invests a greater percentage of its revenue into R&D than Salesforce does. Dynamics CRM is able to realize development synergies in diverse product areas that include database platforms, productivity, etc. And they have put literally billions of dollars into their 2011 platform that integrates with SharePoint and Office 365, etc. Salesforce can say product gaps exist with Microsoft CRM, such as dashboards, reporting, security, and territory management. And Microsoft comes back and says, listen, Dynamics CRM is a function-rich, robust CRM suite that continues to disprove product misperceptions. I can tell you at the end of the day, Microsoft's dashboards, reports, security, territory management, it really is much better than what Salesforce has to offer. You can look at, especially on the reporting side, Microsoft has got the most amazing reports out there. The drill downs, the pivot tables, everything you've got in it, it's really best in class and the best workflow in class as well. The next question, Microsoft Dynamics has extensive dependencies on other Microsoft products. The answer is yes, this is by design. People realize that Microsoft realizes that the marketplace has adopted Excel and Word and Outlook, and they're saying, yes, we're going to integrate with those tools because that's what our tools are using, and we're going to leverage the technology skill sets of the .NET platform. So I hope you enjoyed this brief discussion here of how Microsoft and Salesforce, how they answer those questions. We do compare CRM softwares and would love to help you find out what is the best solution for your environment.